Hi, Megan Fass here, Fast Results. Excited about our newest listing in McLean. You can go to 1150oldgate.com to learn more about the property, see lots of photos, a 3D tour. But this is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, beautiful colonial. This has a beautiful circular drive and a 3-car garage on a flat lot, 0.62 acres, fully fenced backyard, and it is 4 sides of brick. It is expanded from the original house, so over 4,600 square feet. So we have beautiful hardwood floors that have been refinished. And coming into a spacious office. This gorgeous formal living room with a gas fireplace has 2 back doors to the great yard and slate patio. We have a sun-filled family room, the smaller of the 2, with another fireplace and overlooking the gorgeous backyard. Very private. It's got sprinkler system, fully fenced, and expanded slate patio. Great for entertaining, and you can see it's brick on all sides. And here's the exit from the formal living room. Coming back into the family room den that leads into the eat-in kitchen. Again, huge windows. Lots of natural light, lots of cabinet. This is remodeled with a nice farm sink overlooking this backyard. Great countertops. And overlooking the addition family room. Stainless steel appliances. And we have laundry on this level. Nice sized laundry room with extra cabinets, leading to a large formal dining room. And here we have the expanded house with a very large family room, lots of windows with plantation shutters, and a 3rd fireplace. We've got nice closet space for storage and a back door leading to the back driveway. There's also a circular driveway as well as a 3-car garage. Fantastic mud room that you can actually close the doors. And even a space to put a 2nd fridge. Very clever. 3-car garage is super spacious with beautiful wood doors. And this is even wired for a generator. So that's a nice option. And here we have a master bedroom, main level, that was part of the addition with high ceilings. Really nice bathroom with frameless doors and double shower head and a really large walk-in closet. There's also a master on the upper level, so nice to have options. Heading up to the upper level with 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. We also have a finished basement, so keep watching. This is a generous size master bedroom with 3 closets. Plus a linen closet. So also remodeled. So we have a sink out here, as well as in the bathroom that's also remodeled with an extra large soaking tub. This is also remodeled with a custom cabinetry, double sinks, and move-in ready for the new owners. The next 3 bedrooms are all very spacious. With double door closets. Here we have a nice big linen closet. And as we head down to the basement, a couple things to note is just the extremely convenient location where this is located for commuting. And is located in the north part of Timberlea. So we have our 4th bathroom down here and a rec room, an additional unfinished space. So good extra space with a full bathroom. And a good amount of storage. With a large closet. As you can't see it, but it is a cedar closet that you could expand into if you wanted to make a guest room. Back up to the kitchen. If you'd like further information, please contact us. Happy to schedule an in-person visit. Thanks for watching.